What's up, y'all? It's Sharnayla K and I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna do a soft glam tutorial on one of my clients. I hope you guys enjoy, watch, and learn a few things. Be sure to like and comment. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Now let's get into the video. Her skin is already clean and moisturized, so we're going to start off by applying this Tatcha primer all over her face, neck, including her eyelids. All products used in this video will be in the description box below. Now we're going to get right into the brows. Personally, I love doing brows first because it makes the face look cleaner and neater. And the ultimate hack for brows is to keep them groomed and to outline your natural brow shape. As you're outlining your brows, try to stay relaxed and remember it's okay to mess up a little, which is why we love concealer. To sculpt the brows, I'm going to use a concealer that's 2 shades lighter than her skin and then blend it out with the concealer blending brush from It Cosmetics. I'm only going to conceal the bottom part of the brow for now. Later on, I'll backtrack to the top once the eyeshadow is finished. So guys, here is the hack. Instead of just setting the concealer and then going straight into eyeshadow, while the concealer is still wet, I take a contour stick in like a dark shade and I apply that right on top of the concealer. And I'm going to blend that out just how I did with the concealer. So now it's going to be this soft, contoured eye already with no eyeshadow. Really, you don't have to add eyeshadow to this part. Like, you can skip eyeshadow if you wanted to and go straight into the liner and the lashes. But you know, for a more in-depth look, for a more dramatic look, I'm going to add some eyeshadow on top. But this is like a little cheat, a quick way to do like a brown natural smoky eye. Just put contour on top of the concealer, blend it out, and boom, there you go. Once the concealer is blended, you want to immediately set it with setting powder. Today we're going to use the Sacha's Buttercup setting powder in the shade Banana. Be sure to use a clean medium-sized pointed blush brush to apply the powder efficiently. I took the smallest amount of eyeshadow, and now I'm going to blend it into her crease and a little bit into the beginning of her brow. Now I'm packing on a lot of product on the brush to apply directly to her lid, and you'll see me going back and forth from her crease to her lid. Make sure you blend the shadow out smoothly. After eyeshadow, I'm going to draw a small cute wing on her lid using Anastasia's liquid liner, then apply her lashes. Now I'm going to backtrack to conceal the top of her brows. Watch how steady my hands are while doing this. Me and her was having a good conversation, like, so y'all need to give me my props because I did that. Y'all see how sharp that brow came out? Also, by the way, for the top of her brows, I mixed the concealer in a little bit of her foundation shade. To avoid her crying on the makeup, I'm going to apply liner on her waterline now instead of later. This is the ultimate hack for real. If you have a lot of clients, whatever. If you have clients with sensitive eyes, that's a good hack. Now I'm applying foundation to her face and neck. I use 2 shades instead of 1 for a natural complexion and a better blend. So the lighter shade, of course, goes on her cheeks, nose, and a little bit on her forehead. The dark shade goes on her jawline and like the top of her forehead. After the foundation is done, I'm going to apply concealer right underneath her eyes, mouth, nose, and chin. I'm going to blend the concealer out into her foundation with a damp sponge. Once that's blended, remember to immediately set it with setting powder. And my camera stopped recording when I set her foundation and applied bronzer, unfortunately, so I owe y'all a tutorial. But now I'm just highlighting her cheeks and her nose. To line her lips, I used a dark tone foundation. And for the center of her lips, I used a Maybelline liquid lipstick in some pink shade. It will be down below. After applying, I'm going to have her pop her lips together, then blend the rest myself. This look is pretty much done, so now I'm going to spray her face with setting spray and send her out her way. You know me, I'm going to take my pictures first, get my little videos and everything. And it looked like she was feeling her face, y'all, so it was real fire. I don't think she expected it to be this fire, but if you've been to me, you know I go hard every time. And yeah. Thank you guys for tuning into my first soft glam tutorial. There will be more on the way. Leave in the comments what you thought of this video or what looks you want to see next. Make sure you share this video to your friends who want to learn how to do a little 1-2 on their face, but they ain't really got it all the way together. So they're gonna have it all the way together after watching this. Thank you guys. See you guys later. Bye.